All right, everybody, welcome to Rudiment Wednesday. Today's rudiment, I chose the 15-stroke roll. You might go, why the 15? Well, a few of my students have been asking about roll lengths, and this just happens to be the first rudiment in a solo that a student of mine is working on. I just decided, okay, I'll just pick that one. In any case, so what is the 15-stroke roll? Well, it is a double-stroke roll. And at the end of this video, I'm going to link to my other video on the double stroke roll, so be sure and check that out. But this one is the double stroke roll, but it's an absolute length. It stops after 15 hits, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Left-handed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put that together slowly. See what I'm doing? Left-handed. Now, I got the question, do I count the strokes? Do I actually count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? I say no, because after a while, you can't count that fast. I would tell you to go ahead and count the 16th notes. Use 16th notes as your hand, but don't do this. It is not this. It is not 1 E and a, 2 E and a. It is 2 strokes on each syllable. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. 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 Switch it to your left hand. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Now I'm putting the accents on the uhs. You can also put it on the beginning of the roll, like this. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1. Switch it to the left hand. 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1. Either one's perfectly fine. You'll see them in solos either way. Due to the fact of their positioning or where they want the accent. All right, folks, if you got some benefit out of this video, please subscribe, like, and share. And also hit that bell icon so you don't miss any content. And until the next time, which will be in a week when we have another Rudiment Wednesday. I have no idea what that rudiment's going to be yet, but I'll choose it in the week. Other than that, folks, have a great rest of your week. Take care, and we'll see you next time.